Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Here we have a topic, Covid-19 social distancing system in queue-based services using Android application. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. In this project, we are using some technologies, Java and J2EE. Java and Advanced Java Concepts. Advanced Java Concepts contains JDBC, Servlet and SQL. Next, we are using Tomcat. Tomcat is an application server from the Apache Software Foundation that executes Java servlets and web pages that includes JSP, Java Server Pages. Next we have Eclipse. Eclipse is for developing our web application. It is a software which is used to develop our web application or server-side applications. MySQL, this is a database we are using in our application project. So to store some data, so we are using MySQL. And we have Android ADT, Android Development Tool. We are using for developing our Android application. Introduction. The main objective of this project is it helps people avoiding standing in the queue for a long period of time. This time which is wasted in waiting can be utilized for other important things. Moreover, it also looks into the fact that during the pandemic like this COVID-19, people are urged to maintain a specific amount of social distance. By using this Android app, people will not only avoid coming in the contact and they can save a lot of time. This project works on the basis of token system. Problem statement. Social distancing, also called as physical distancing, means keeping a safe distance between yourself and other people who are not from your household. To practice social distancing, stay at least 6 feet from other people. Social distancing should be practiced in combination with every preventive action to reduce the spread of COVID-19. Existing system. Nowadays, if you want to purchase some items from the shop, then we should go and stand in a queue and maintain 6 feet of distance, and it may take more time. This time which is wasted in waiting can be utilized to do more productive things. So the proposed system. This project works on the basis of token system. Every time a customer wants to get service from the service provider, he has to request for a token through an Android app. The service provider will accept that token and they'll issue a token with a number. And if a customer N is entering to the shop or service, then customer N plus 1 will be informed about customer N that he is entering to the shop. Like this, we can make stop wasting our time standing in a queue. To handle your project, visit www.dhsinformatics.com, or if you have any doubts regarding this project, feel free to call these numbers. Thank you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.